Hello friends. Have you ever caught yourself slouching without realizing it? Maybe while reading, watching TV, or using your phone. Then suddenly you sit up straight, only to slip back down a few minutes later. Don't worry, it happens to all of us. But over time, poor posture can cause neck pain, stiff shoulders, and even problems with balance. The good news is, a few small daily habits can help your body realign in a gentle way. Let's start with the chair check. When sitting, make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your back has support. If your chair feels too deep, tuck a small cushion or rolled towel behind your lower back. This simple adjustment helps the spine stay upright without straining. Next, practice shoulder awareness. Our shoulders often roll forward when we're reading or cooking. Every hour or so, roll them gently up, back, and down, as if you're sliding your shoulder blades into your back pockets. This movement opens the chest, eases tension, and reminds the body what straight feels like. Another easy trick is the chin tuck. While sitting or standing, gently draw your chin back, not down, so your ears line up with your shoulders. It feels subtle, but it strengthens the neck and counters that forward-leaning posture many of us develop from years of looking down at books or screens. When walking, imagine a string pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. This picture helps the spine lengthen naturally and shifts weight evenly across your body. Good posture isn't about standing stiff like a soldier. It's about feeling balanced and relaxed. Movement also plays a big role. Gentle stretches for the chest and back, plus light strength exercises for the core, make upright posture easier to maintain. Think of it this way: posture is less about forcing and more about supporting. When muscles are strong and flexible, good posture becomes your body's natural choice. One more tip: use everyday activities as posture reminders. Each time you walk through a doorway, pause to roll your shoulders back. Each time you stand from a chair, notice if your spine is tall. These little cues turn posture correction into part of daily life, instead of something extra you have to remember. The beauty of these tips is that they're easy to weave into your routine. No special equipment, no long workouts, just small shifts repeated often. Over time, those shifts protect your back, improve balance, and make standing tall feel natural again. So the next time you notice yourself slouching, don't scold yourself. Take a breath, adjust gently, and give your body a chance to find its best position. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you for joining me today. If this video was helpful, please share it with your family or friends. I truly wish you good health. Always, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for updates.